What'd you do for a Klondike bar, Chelsea?
I don't know what I did for a Klondike bar.
Well, let me rephrase that. Who would you do for a Klondike bar?
Channing Tatum.
I don't know who that is, but okay. Go Misty. Yeah, I can tell a lot.
Black marks on a wrap.
We really should put Chris on Misty. Darn, you should make her like buck him off or something.
She's pissed at people that aren't me.
How old is she?
4, about to be 5.
What, did somebody buy her like straight out of the wild and not even bother to train her?
They got her. She's been wild for 2 years.
Damn. I mean, dang, this is going on the internet. Can't cuss. This is going to be a long ass video. It's going to take a while to upload. Hey, Ty Ty. Hey, Ty.
Blow me off right now. Thank you.
Don't eat the poop.
Vlog with kindness. They're vlogging with kindness. Oh my goodness, yes. Let me wrap around the back leg. Oh, that was a little touchy.
Well, you are a crackhead. She doesn't really look like she cares that much.
That's a plastic bag.
Oh my god, pull out the plastic bag, please. Pull out the evil plastic bag.